Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So yesterday I went to a couple different Walgreens, and earlier in the week I was finding some Aleve and a couple other odds and ends, and I'm like, I'd like to find a bit more. And I found so much more cold, sleep, that sort of stuff on clearance. And a lot of this stuff is printing a $5 store register reward, and there are digital coupons. So we're just going to get right into this. So the first one that I actually did was this ZQuil, and it's just some sort of like nighttime supplement. It's chamomile and honey, and it's supposed to put you out to sleep right away. It actually seems quite glorious. 90% off for $1.19, and it's buy one get one 50% off. $5 register reward when you purchase two. So this is the digital coupon currently that's attaching to the product. So this is a bit tricky. To get this coupon to work, you're actually going to have to pick up three. But if you can only find two, I have the math covered for you as well. So make sure you have this guy loaded. So here it is, grabbing three of these on a BOGO 50% off. That'll be $2.97. Subtracting that $2 digital, you'll pay 97 cents. Get back a $5 store register reward, making it free plus a $4.02 moneymaker. If you can only find two of these, it'll be buy one, get one 50% off for $1.78. $5 register reward should print, making this free plus a $3.21 moneymaker. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay to earn your register reward. But this is really, really fantastic, especially if you use these sort of supplements. Now, with the store register reward, as you can see, it's when you purchase two of these, you're going to get this. And as per the tags, this is until the 29th of March. So you have this week and next week. And this is a store coupon, so you have to be, it's a very tricky one. And this is valid for the next 2 weeks, which is really fantastic. And you can see the pictures of all the different items. Unfortunately, my Aleve that I bought on Sunday was not triggering this. Nothing I was buying was triggering it, but these supplements all of a sudden triggered it. So just be super duper mindful of that. And this is also not rolling, because I did try to get it to roll from transaction 1 to transaction 2, not rolling. So just be mindful of that as well. And what rolling means is you can't use one from transaction 1 to transaction 2. A second one will not print. I did find quite a bit of this yesterday, so I did a second transaction where I had two more of those ZQuils, and I had some Head and Shoulders shampoo, but that's like $1.78 of product. So I tried rolling this $5 store coupon, and basically what happened is another one did not print for me. So, but the balance of it actually was applied to the Head and Shoulders I was buying. So my suspicion is that you can use this on another product. Do that with a bit of caution, because if you have a cashier that's going to read every single line of every single coupon, the answer is going to be a big fat no if you're trying to use this on, like, say, toilet paper, for example. Okay, the next little item that is not part of it, I did not see it tagged, guys, is this Nervine. It's a nerve pill. We have a $2 digital coupon, dropping this guy down to 79 cents. So from $28 to 79 cents. I mean, that is just quite the find, and it had a really long expiry date. So I grabbed one of these for my mom. Like, what an amazing deal. This is also another one that I was seeing at multiple stores. It's the ZQuil Pure Zzzs. It's a melatonin supplement, and it's $1.79. And again, as you can see, it's tagged $5 reward when you purchase two. With clearance, it's always a your mileage may vary, meaning this could be throughout the entire state of Michigan, but then Michigan and Texas might have the same, but Michigan and New Hampshire might be a week apart. So if you're in Walgreens, definitely look for this stuff, because who doesn't love free? Um, so this guy also has a $2 digital coupon. So grabbing two of these on a BOGO 50% off, that's $2.68. Subtracting your digital, you'll pay 68 cents. Get back a $5 register reward, making it free plus a $4.31 moneymaker. This must be a very popular product, because I could not track down two in the store. Other clearance that I would keep my eyes peeled for in the store is the Old Spice Champion, this specific one. 85 cents. Somebody bought all of them. If you could track down 3 of them, it's $2.55. Get back a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $2.45 money maker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And since we have no coupons, I would definitely go into IBOTTA and see if there might be a rebate for it. And somebody cleared all of these body washes before I could even get to the store today. And hey, I would have done the exact same thing because like Old Spice, that's really nice. Also, we have Dove, 2 different Dove men's body washes that are on clearance for $1, which is also a 90% off. So this first one is the lime avocado oil, and it's the 18 ounce, so it is this specific size bottle. And these are also on clearance too over at Meijer if you might have that grocery store in the Midwest. So if you have no luck at one store, definitely look at the other. Obviously a little bit better with the register rewards over at Walgreens, but this is $1. And in the same shaped bottle, which is an 18 ouncer, we have this one, which is eucalyptus cedar, and you guessed it, $1. And the shopper who was there before me, they bought all of them, or could have been an employee, and like I don't blame them because I would have done the exact same thing because like 90% off, it's totally what it's about. Now, I just wanted to share a couple other clearance items that I found, and these have no rebate or anything, but I just wanted you to keep an eye out for if this is something you might like. It's the Align Probiotic. It's some sort of yogurt bite. The original price is $29.99 for $2.99. Because of the type 2 diabetes, I don't want anything to really spike blood sugar, so I just left it at the store for the next shopper. But this is a heck of a find, especially if you're trying to, this is a supplement that you like, and there's 21 pouches in this, so it's quite the sizable box. I wish there was a digital coupon to go with it. I would have picked it up for somebody. But it's supposed to help with gut health, and it's apple blueberry, so that seems quite delightful, and they're called the Fruit Bites. So if this is something, I mean, heck, use your Walgreens cash for it. And also, there's a lot of kids supplements, like this is called Daily Immune Support. This is not one that's producing that $5 store register reward, so just be mindful of that. But if you need stuff for your kids, they have a ton of different things over at Walgreens, and it's like all these stickers started popping up. They usually put them around here on Tuesdays, so they must have done that. And I haven't seen this in some time where Head & Shoulders actually puts coupons on the products. These are called hang tags because it's actually hanging off of the product. The coupon is valid till the end of the year, $3 off of one of these Head & Shoulders bears. I didn't take a single one. So my question for you is, would you take all of them or would you leave them all at the store? Would you behave? That's a tough one because I know a lot of us don't get coupons and these are mighty tempting, but I didn't take a single one. I just left them all there. I didn't want to get in trouble in the comments probably. No, I'm just joking, but I just left them all there. But yeah, really nice to see those coupons in the store. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.